Welcome to TBCS. I'm Tanfir. Today I'm here for explaining moles and Avogadro's constant. In this world, you need to believe every big materials like in our everyday life, we measure big materials with kg, dozen. Mr. Avogadro imagined that how the tiniest particles, tiniest issue like atoms, molecules, compound, these could be counted. Mr. Avogadro just established a amount of counting unit, that is mole. And he has discovered in 1 mole there are 6 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecules. There are 4 systems of counting moles. But for understanding the mole counting, we have to understand the difference between atoms. In this world, analyzing crore materials, scientists just have established 118 elements behind the periodic table, approximately 118 element. These 118 element, I'm just going gradually. Firstly, you know that I'm giving example of oxygen. Upside that is the mass number, downside this is atomic number. And in this way, all the atoms, just the symbol of the secret of the world ingredients written over the periodic table. And these atoms, just before participating, becoming prepared, giving or taking, becoming ions. So for a time being, ions is the imbalanced situation of giving or taking. So ions is the active situation of participating, active phase of an atoms. But after being bonded, some atoms turn into the molecules of a same element, molecules when the same ingredient form the molecules. This is the molecules of element. So this is the picture of tiger. Simply O is the picture of tiger, cannot bite us. But O2, I'm just going how the using the atoms, molecules, moles can be found. So imagine, suppose 100 given mass is 100, given mass is 100, suppose 180. In the mathematics, this type of imaginary mass or given, this will be given by the examiner, 180 gram. And this is being imagined as a molar mass. So this molar mass, if you divide this, that is, if you make it 60, division will be easier. And that is 16 and 160. So the mole is 10 moles. So simply the given mass will be divided by the molar mass of atoms. In the field of oxygen, the molar mass is 16. Now I'm telling about when this oxygen only combination don't held in different different atoms, many time combination or reaction or law of creation would be held in the same atoms. Suppose oxygen and oxygen, I'm not talking the outer shell, the situation of participating, because today's videos is mole. So oxygen and oxygen make O2, you know that. So O2 is not the atom, symbolic atoms. O2 is something which we use in breathing. In corona time, O2 is very meaningful. So O2 is the last situation, last existence of same type of thing, that is called element. So this could be defined as element. At the same time, this is also molecules, because I have told that molecules mean last stage of existence. Again, that could be told as formula. However, you know that as this is 16, so there will be, as there is 2O, so there will be 16 plus 16, so total 32. So if the given mass, if the given mass is suppose 320 gram, what is the molar number? 32 is the molar number. So if you divide by 32, that will be 10. In every case, the result won't be 10. Because of my suitability in calculation, I am taking the suitable 160, 320. If you give 500, molar number will be different. No matter, every case 10 won't come in the mole. Given mass will be different. Okay, I am giving another one. So this is the atoms, this is the element, means same type, but this is molecules. Now I am going to the molecules. Molecules is the last stage. Now I am going to the compound, because compound means the combination of 2, 3, more than 2 element, more than 2 materials. Okay, so water, there is H2O. H, mass of H is 1, and oxygen, there is 2H, so 1 plus 1, and oxygen is 16. So in total 100, in total 18. I told that not every time 10. You are thinking that's a different thing. No. Suppose now the mass number I am changing. Suppose the mass number is 360. So if I divided by this molar number, now in this way, my new molar number is 18. So if I divide these and these, the molar number will be 20. Now the mole number is 20. So I have explained the 3 stages using the mass of atom, using the mass of same element, same atoms, element, molecules, that is O2, mass of different element, I mean compound, molecules of compound. Am I confusing you? I am telling that you watch that the definition of mole, either atoms or element or compound, but molecules mean last stage. Mean H2O, this is also molecule. O2, this is also molecule. O2 is the same type of materials. H2 mean different types of material. Just formula and molecule, same thing. London, UK, England, Great Britain, these are the confusing word. So don't mix up compound, molecules. So for getting the moles, this need to be captured. Now I am going to the last phase. These are the given number, given mass divided by the mass number, which is given in the periodic table. In periodic table, mass number always given in the upside. Now I am talking if the given number, this is the given mass divided by molar mass, I mean mass number, which is given in the periodic table. But if the given number is, suppose, Avogadro told in 1 mole the total molecules could be found 6 into 10 to the power 23. I mean 6 into 10 to the power 23 mean after 6 there are 23 zero. This is standard form for the calculator. But exactly after 6 there are 23 zero. This number of molecules could be found in 1 mole. This has been created by Mr. Avogadro. So what is Avogadro constant? That is mole. Don't become confused. Mango and arm. Avogadro, the idea created by Avogadro, and that is called Avogadro's constant. Avogadro has told in 1 unit of mole. Mole is nothing but a counting unit like kg, dozen. In a big sector, kg dozen. In the small sector, mole. In 1 mole, 6 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecules. So these are the given mass divided by the molar mass. Where molar mass found? In the periodic table upper side, right? Now if the number would be given, suppose 24 into 10 to the power 23, these number of molecules have been provided, and if you divide it by the Avogadro's number, so now number finding, if number would be provided, Avogadro's number 6 into 10 to the power 23, if you divide, so this cut, so the 4 moles. Actually I have given suitable 24 because 6 and 24 counting is easy, calculation is easy. But don't think that every time 24 will be given. Don't think that every time 160 will be given. Given mass will be different, but molar mass is always from the periodic table. Given mass will be different, but molar mass from the periodic table. In the field of atom, that will be taken from upside. In the field of molecules, but element, that will be chlorine, that is element, but compound. Element, but element of molecules. Okay, molecules of element. Water, sodium chloride, there is 2 types of element, and this is called molecules of compound. So this from our childhood, teacher or not, chemistry is boring subject because of the perception. So for understanding mole and Avogadro's constant, football, so mole is the unit of counting, and Avogadro has emphasized in 1 mole there are 6 into 23 to 10 to the power 23 number of molecules. So Avogadro constant is the counting system. There are 4 system of counting. Video is getting longer. In this way, in our center, concept clearing is our first target. Second target, question paper solving. Third target, evaluating from London answer paper. With the registration support, TVCS is the one-stop solution to the O and A level. Thank you very much.